Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a brand new van. It's a brand new conversion, warranty top to bottom, front to back. Let's get to the conversion. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. It's got a 34-inch wide ramp, very easy to do. I can do this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Watch this here. It's got a handle on the driver's side or a handle on the passenger side. I'm going to use the passenger side. And look here, all I need to use is 1 finger to take this to the ground. It is spring assisted, very easy to operate. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with ease. 34 inches wide, entry is 56.5 inches. The interior is 58.5 inches. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. You can use this for your nursing home, you can use this for your cab company, or of course you can use this for your family or personal use. 2 tie down spots up front, 4 in the middle, 2 in the rear. That's a total of 8. This van is designed to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. It's 94-inch deep cut here. In between the seats is about 21 inches of room. A lot of companies or people will remove 1 of the seats, sometimes 2. We can put more narrow seats in there. We can put seats that fold up like a book on each side. Talk to us. Let us know how we can help configure your van to make it work for you and your family or your company. The van's not fully loaded by any means, but it does come with steering wheel cruise control, radio controls as well, backup camera. Very handy to have if you've got both of those, and if you've got employees driving your vehicles, keep them nice and safe, keep their eyes on the road. Dual climate control, driver can be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature. You can even have a 3rd temperature in the rear. So, got the rear air for sure, also has the rear air controls up top. Again, this van is brand new. Comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile factory warranty from Dodge. Look here when I put it back up, so easy to do. So little to go wrong. Those electric ramps and doors, yes folks, they're nice. But when they break down on you, you're going to have $1,000 every time you take them into the shop. And I promise they're going to break down at the absolute worst time possible. 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge. 3-year unlimited mile warranty from the conversion company. And a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. Has the tinted windows in the rear. No sense in taking it on a test drive. It is brand new. I'll show you the odometer. No games, no gimmicks. We just sell these vans for about $15,000 less than the competition. You ask me why? I don't know. You'd have to ask them why their vans are so much. Has the new window sticker up here. Shows the base price $26,790. We're selling that's just for a base van. We're selling the entire vehicle with conversion for just a little bit over that. You can see the odometer there. Only 10 miles on the odometer. Has a touchscreen radio. Like I said, backup camera. Let me pop the hood real quick. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. A little bit of water under here, just from us giving it a little cleaning. It's going to evaporate off when that engine gets hot. But again, all brand new. All warranted. Van also comes with the power windows. It has the rear power windows as well. Power locks, keyless entry. So again, it's not fully loaded, but it's got enough options if you're going to use it for your business to keep you safe. Beautiful van. Come save $15,000 at Affordable Mobility Solutions, at least, compared to what these other guys are selling brand new Dodge Caravans for. If you're ever going to come by to look at one of our vehicles, please always give us a call. 316-262-VANS. That'll forward right to us even at our Dallas lot. We've got that manned as well. Check us out 24 hours a day, www.mobility316.com. If you want to see our Dallas inventory, they're all on the same website, but check us out, bigtexmobility.com. Always make an appointment if you want to come by, please. We know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give us a call, set an appointment. We'll give you our undivided attention. Make sure we get all your questions answered. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions and Big Tex Mobility, where mobility is affordable. Have a great day.